GDM offers a broad set of services to ensure machine productivity levels. Machine Checkup. Periodic machine checkup and improvement tips from GDM Engineering Department. Maintenance cards. Clear instructions to help technicians analyze when and how to do critical maintenance work. Remote assistance. Remote assistance hardware is available on all new GDM machines. Remote support to help troubleshoot and detect the most common causes of downtime. Lower costs and response times. Production support. Improve the learning curve and facilitate machine startup. SAT levels of efficiency and waste can be achieved sooner after startup.